All right, so this is our little Pro 4K camera, Ultra Pro, all right? So I'm going to show you guys how you turn it on, how you shoot video, how you turn the video shooting off, and how to turn the camera off. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to press and hold this for about 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. It vibrates and you get a flash. Then if you want to record something, all you do is click this and you'll feel a little vibration. Yep. And now it's recording. Now, if I want to stop the recording, I just press it again and it vibrates. And then if I want to turn it off completely, I press and hold. It vibrates and then bam, Bob's your uncle, it's done. And that's basically how you do it. And then the only way you can look at your video is you got to pull the card out. And the card's on the side here. And I pull it out, I put it in a adapter and shove it in the computer and pull the video off. But that's basically how this works. So highly recommend getting one. They're super fun and they're small and they're compact and they're easy to use. Peace out.